Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our first chapter, that is the integers. In previous video already we have learned about that multiplication of integers on the number line. The first cases already I have explained about that when the two integers are positive, how we should represent on the number line and how to find out that value of the product. Okay, but students, today we are going to discuss about that when the two integers, one integer is positive, another one is negative, then how we will do the multiplication on the number line, and also both integers are negative, how we will find out the multiplication on the number line. We will discuss in this video. Okay, so let us discuss first of all second case, that is one integer is positive, if another one negative, then how will represent on the number line? Yes, students, you know very well, students, there is one property about you have studied in that previous classes, 60 classes, when that one positive integer and one negative integer, one positive integer and one negative integers you are multiplying. What is that result? What is the sign of that? We will get the negative sign. Just remind students. Suppose -3 into plus 4. What is the answer? What is the sign of this? Now this is negative, this is positive. So compulsory answer will come negative. So already I have told you positive plus into plus, that the positive. Positive into negative. What is the negative? Negative into positive is equal to negative. Negative into negative is equal to positive. This is the rule you have to remember. So when one positive integer we are multiplying with one negative integer, then the result, the product, the sign is negative. Okay, when both integers are negative sign, at that time what will get? Will get positive sign. ठीक है, दोनों इंटीजर जब नेगेटिव साइन हो जाएगा और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमें, माइनस इंटू माइनस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ओके, दो साइन नेगेटिव होगा तो भी पॉजिटिव. So let us discuss about that. Already you have studied, but number line also we'll see in this video. So now see students, first of all I have written when one integer is positive and the other is negative, that is suppose 4 and -3. So I have written that -3 into 4 or 4 into -3 same, because that commutative law already we will study in that future. So just I have written -3 into 4. Okay. So on the number line you have to draw. So we can write here 0, 1, 2, 3. Because why I should write this side? Because it is always answer will come negative number. So -12 will come, so negative number will come. So that's why this side you have to take more number. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, and a little more we can take, -12, -13 we can take. Okay, so now first of all what is that number you have to show? First number you have to show on the number line. So first is 0 to -3 you have to show on the, this is 3. Okay, so how many times students? The 4 times. So this -3 added 4 times, that means -3 plus -3 plus -3 plus -3 is equal to -12. ठीक है, तो हम देखना है तो how many times added? -3, not 4 times. So this will go next. ठीक है, because 1 2 3 over, next 1 2 3, next 1 2 3. Now we got up to here. So this is -3, -3, -3 added. So answer we got -12. If you will take from here and last here, this is called as a -12. That means whenever we are multiplying one negative number with one positive number, that's the number line. Okay. So same like students, we will see here another one. When the two integers are negative, say one minus 2 and minus 3, at that time what is the number will come? Positive. But before that, one more example if you want to say, I will tell you. After that I will say that one. So हम देख सकते हैं कौन सा -2 into 5, ठीक है। तो नंबर लाइन कैसे करना है, ऐसे नंबर लाइन ले जाओ, इधर नेगेटिव आएगा, सो इधर ले जाओ 0 1 2 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 6 7 -8 -9 -10 -11 -12, ठीक है। अभी क्या करना है, पहले फर्स्ट -2 दिखाना है। याद रखो बेटे फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है, -2 है। तो -2 कितना टाइम में ऐड होगा, 5 टाइम्स, ठीक है। तो हमें देखना है आंसर कितना आ रहा है। तो -2 5 टाइम्स ऐड करना है। फर्स्ट 0 रखना है, 0 to -2, नेक्स्ट 1 2, नेक्स्ट 1 2, नेक्स्ट 1 2, नेक्स्ट 1 2, मतलब 5 टाइम्स हमें लिखना है। ये -2 है, ये भी -2 है, ये -2, ये -2, ये -2, तो कितना आया -10। सो 0 से -2, मतलब ये -2 into 5 is equal to -10, ये नंबर है, ठीक है। तो ये नंबर है -2 into 5 is equal to -10, so आंसर -10 है, ठीक है। Same like you can do other problems. So next case 3, when two integers are negative, one is -2, another one -3, that means both integers are negative. So already we know that answer will come positive. So how we will show that on the number line, we can take that, okay. So students, before that little calculus we have to do here. We can write -2 into 3 into -1. Yes, देखिए हमें जो -3 को हमें ऐसा लिख दिया। If you write it one positive and one negative, then negative will come, -1 I have written here. So now if you show on the number line this, then what is the answer will come, negative sign is done, okay. Now look at the first day, this number you have to show. So -2, so 0 1, sorry, you can write here 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, ठीक है। What is that answer now? Now we can take that here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and -6 -7 -8, ठीक है। Now look at the students, first of all we can show this number line first. So what is that first is -2 into 3 कितना हो गया, हमको पता है, मतलब -2 प्लस -2 प्लस -2 है, ऐसा हमें दिखाना है। तो 0 से 2, नेक्स्ट 0 से 2, नेक्स्ट 0 से 2, तो ये आया हमारा -2 -2 -2, तो कितना आया -6 आ गया। तो हम लिखेंगे कैसा है इधर, -6 into -1 इज इक्वल टू, हमें उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, -6, ठीक है। -6 into -1 इज इक्वल टू, हमें इसको लिख सकते हैं, माइनस कॉमन रख दो, 1 इट विल कम, माइनस आउटसाइड -6, ओके। सो whenever minus number, one negative integer will subtract from a number, then what will get, that it will go to the right side. So students, from here to, if that now number we got this here -6, so whenever we are -1 multiplying, that means it will become right side. So from here to we can take up to here. So this is our answer, ठीक है। This is -6. Did you understand? You will get the confusion. Yes. Why? Because -6 into -1, because only one this is. So if other terms is there, we can do. But after getting this result, this you have to bracket. This you don't think about that. Now answer we got -6. Now second stage में -6 into -1 is equal to minus minus 6, you will get, sir, that number came here to how can we go? No, students, up to here this number line we are getting this one, वो हमें इसको निकालने के लिए नंबर लाइन कर दिया। बाद में क्या करेंगे, वो -6 को -1 मल्टीप्लाई करके तो नेगेटिव साइन जब हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं इसको पॉजिटिव आ जाएगा, तो इसलिए हम 0 to 6 हम दिखाएंगे। ठीक है, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो सेम लाइक स्टूडेंट्स, if you do suppose one more example one we can take next, -3 into 4 we can take। ठीक है, -3 into 3 you will get more numbers, that's right। So what you can write here, this one we can write here, if sorry both are minus, no, so minus is equal to -3 into 3 into -1, ऐसा लिख सकते हो। लिखने के बाद ये दोनों को नंबर लाइन दिखाना है, इसको 0 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 -8 -9 -10, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10। ठीक है, अभी क्या करना है, हमें इसे लिखने के बाद हमें ये दोनों को फर्स्ट 2 नंबर को हमको दिखाना है नंबर लाइन पे। ठीक है, तो -3 कितना टाइम, 3 टाइम्स, सो 0 to 3 टाइम्स 6 9, ये -3 ये -3 ये -3। ठीक है, तो हमें 3 टाइम्स देखा है तो -9 आ गया, तो हमारा आंसर क्या हुआ, -9 इनटू कितना है नेक्स्ट, -1। हमें इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, -9 इज इक्वल टू कितना है 9, तो 9 हमको लिखना है और -9। ठीक है, तो वैसा वी हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट नंबर लाइन। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू, हैव ए नाइस डे, यू हैव टू एंजॉय इन योर होम।